Hey Fred, it's Chris Hibbler here. Well, you'll recognize this as your Stern Dracula sound card, and I have it installed in my Stern Dracula. I'm going to boot the game, and that's normal. That sound you heard is just the capacitors discharging before the sound card resets. And there's your Stern Dracula boot sound, and I'm going to start a game. And I'm going to try to play a little game one-handed here. There you go with the sounds. Let me hit a top target. Oops, sorry about that. Tough to play and at the same time. Anyway, I'm going to let this drain so you hear the bonus. Alright, all good to go. So I'm going to pack this up and get you an invoice, Fred. Thanks very much for your patience. Take care.